Hi there, I need your help with this skirt. It's silk, and unfortunately, it has some old oil stains on it. I need it cleaned as soon as possible. Is that something you can do?
Let me take a look. Ah, yes, I see the stains. Oil on silk can be tricky, especially if it's been there for a while. But don't worry, we can treat it.
That's a relief. I actually need it for a party tomorrow evening. Can you have it ready by then?
Tomorrow evening? It's a tight deadline, but I understand how important this is. I'll prioritize it and do my best.
Thank you so much. Do you think the stains will come out completely?
I'll be honest with you, oil stains on silk can be stubborn, especially if they're old. However, we'll do everything possible to make it look as good as new.
I appreciate your honesty. I trust you'll do the best you can.
Absolutely. I'll start working on it right away. You can pick it up tomorrow afternoon, say around 3 p.m. How does that sound?
Perfect. Thank you so much for squeezing this in.